Material staining is a question we get often. Do I need a sealer? And the answer is, it depends. So what I thought I would do is take some household items that are used everywhere, some different types of material, and show you what could happen as they're applied to the product. This is a natural stone Carrara 2-inch hexagon polished marble mosaic with a sealer. Natural stone pebble pram gray mosaic without a sealer. Porcelain tile hex art pop Nero 8-inch. Roman brisk blue crackled glass on a porcelain back. Glazed and unglazed ceramic tile. Household items used for the experiment: water, oil, soda, vinegar, and red wine. As you can see, the water has no visibility here. We see the oil is bubbled up here. The soda, vinegar, and wine are showing the spots. So let's try to clean it off with some water and see how well it works. See, that wine came right up. The vinegar came right up. The soda came right up. And the oil, now you can still see the vinegar a little bit there. Let me get you a little closer. You can see that spot is still there. Vinegar has some chemical properties that can eat into a material. Okay, so here's another stone, very porous, has nothing on it. As you can see, even the water that I dripped a couple places is showing. I'll show you that again. You know, very absorbent. That'll absorb right into the stone. So we have our oil, soda, vinegar, and wine. I am willing to bet all of these will show a stain. So there's the wine, vinegar, soda, and the oil is and tends to be the worst. So we're gonna let that dry a second and see what comes out finally. Now that this has completely dried, you can see that we still have a little bit of stain there, but the others are hard to see. Porcelain tile. Not worried about this at all. I have a feeling it's gonna wipe right off. So let's go taking from right to left. The glazed ceramic tile, I have a feeling it's gonna perform the same way that the porcelain tile is. So we're gonna wipe off right to left. Completely clean. So the back of a glazed tile. Reason I did that, just to represent how well a glaze works on a ceramic tile. This is the actual material. I have a feeling it's not gonna look like I cleaned it at all. So I'm gonna wipe it a little bit. It's gonna show wet, very similar to the stones. And I bet when we look at it after it dries, it is going to look exactly like it did before we washed it. Just as we suspected, the unglazed still showing spots of each of the staining materials, except for the water, of course, which is evaporated. Thanks for watching all the way to the end. I hope you gathered a couple of nuggets to help with your tile and stone installation. A couple of things to keep in mind. Number one, if you have a stone product, polished or unpolished, an unglazed ceramic, some glass tiles, or your manufacturer recommends a sealer, we recommend a sealer. Number two, if you spill something, get it up relatively quickly. Our stains sat for about 6.5 hours, and you saw how they absorb into the different types of materials. Number three, develop a good maintenance program. There are plenty of great tile and stone specific cleaners. Get some, take care of your investment. Thanks for tuning in. Look forward to seeing you next time. Tile the world.